All right, guys, it's what I find here today with a Picco engine. This Picco engine has a neat little surprise to it. So, give you a nice look around at it here. So the surprise, this engine is signed by Ron Paris. This side says comp. So nice Picco Ron Paris comp engine. This engine has been used. I don't know how much. I got the back off here, so let's see if I can pull this off real quick. It is clean in there. I cannot believe how clean this is. For as old as it is, this thing is super clean. Throw this back in here real quick. See if I can get the glow plug in and see if we can get some popping noise out of it. It also comes with the pipe sitting back there. It's the Ron Paris pipe, the original pipe to it. I don't know how much of a pop I'm going to get without that being sealed up. But super cool. The pipe has a dent in it right there, but other than it's got a couple dents in it. And it's got the Picco carburetor. I don't know what size this engine is. I'll have to do a little research on that before I post it on eBay, but really clean. Somebody took really good care of this thing. Check it out. It'll be on eBay. That's what I find.